Hello, Nisco Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a unboxing on Shows the Valtryek, or the Beyblade vs. Pro Series. So yeah, here's the back. Comes with Blitz and Jaggy. Yeah, I think. Here's the all attack, burst, defense 0, weight max almost. Agility, stamina. There's the parts. There's the front. Hasbro black logo. Looks like the damn TT ones. So yeah. Actually, I think I still have my one of these. And yes, I do have the TKO Tommy one that's worn into shit, and my Hasbro one that's still pretty good condition. This one, I beat the living shit out of this one. This one was my favorite for a while. That's saying something on how excited to get this real one. This one worked pretty well. Not as much detail with the stickers and stuff like that, but you can tell by this guy, stickers are kind of coming off, but it's fucking worth it. Sticker time. Ow. Let's go. Yeah. A knife. Oh god. Cut away from yourself, big thing. Oh god. Okay, there we go. Oh, cool, yay. There it is, right there. And yeah. Come on. Okay. Oh god. Okay, there we go. Another ripcord. This actually does work with TT launcher grips if you want to use them on this, but I use my sparking launchers. That works a lot better. Yeah, that's my opinion. Here's the stickers. Gorgeous stickers too. This is gonna be fun. Hopefully I don't mess up like last time. So yeah, stickers. QR codes, exact same. I know how I would put stickers on this one. I did this one a lot because it's my favorite. Let's get to getting this. Get a nice close look at these parts. And this is actually a pretty good combo. And of course, this is stiff. Brand new. Oh god, yeah, that's stiff. Yeah. Oh god, that looks so good, it's so thick. Oh god, sorry. Here's Hasbro TT. TT's on this side, Hasbro's on this side. So yeah. Pretty good, it's the exact same. With the triangle screws and everything like that. Yeah, pretty much the same, just a little bit more of a slope right here. Just that. Okay, TT, Hasbro, and Hasbro again. Here's Blitz. I love Blitz. Blitz is a freaking bit lighter. I need to weigh these, but right now I can't find my scale. Somewhere in here. And you should know what this guy is. Jaggy? No, rubber, Jolt. A Jolt. There you go. Let me show the teeth. A little bit weaker. Not that bad though. Let's put the stickers on and yeah. Be right back. Okay. Boom. Brand new. I did a lot better sticker job on this one than I did this one. Oh, this one. I fucked up on this piece right here. Put this on the wrong side. Put this one on the wrong side. This is curling up. This is how much I've grown in this channel. With this, how I sticker my stuff. Freaking pretty good, if you ask me. So yeah, let's do a 3-way test battle. Let's go. Of course, in my favorite, one of my favorite newer Hasbro stadiums. So yeah. Let's go with, actually let's do a test launch. Oh God. Damn. Works straight away. Okay, there we go. Let's do the actual battle. Let's go with Hasbro. Oh, bloody hell. Okay, that was pretty good right there. One more time with these two. Okay, let's redo that launch. Okay, Hasbro. Ooh, that one beats the weaker Hasbro play. So yeah. Hasbro. This is how it should, seriously, this is how it should have been. Like this. That's how it should have been, not this. So yeah. Let's go, TT. Oh God, never mind. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye. Okay.